CBA Jump. Number 1, read the dictionary entry for the word slice. Slice. 1, to cut something with a sharp object, such as a knife. 2, to cut something into pieces. 3, to hit or kick in a way that causes a ball or shot to curve. 4, to move quickly and easily through something. Which meaning best matches the way the word slice is used on page 2? A meaning 1, B meaning 2, 3 meaning 3, D meaning 4. Be sure to prove your answers. Question 2. Why are lines 57 through 60 important to the story? F, the reader finds out Taylor's problem. G, Taylor makes a change. H, Taylor gives up. Or J, the reader finds out how scared Taylor is of jumping. Prove your answers. You can pause this recording or go back and hear the answer choices again. Number 3. What can the reader conclude about Taylor? A, she lets fear keep her from doing fun things. B, she is nice to people who she doesn't know. C, she's jealous of Travis. D, she's determined to jump even though she is afraid. Remember to show your work. Number 4. Which sentence best describes Taylor and Travis's relationship? F, you can do it, he, Travis, yells. G, then my toes slice the water and I plunge deep. H, in front of me, Travis hops around like a monkey. J, nothing scares that kid. Number 5. What does Taylor learn in this story? A, that she can do anything if she just believes in herself. B, that swimming isn't as scary as she thought and now she wants to go again. C, that counting things can help you overcome your fear. D, that best friends will always help you through scary moments. Prove your answers. Number 6. Which sentence best shows the theme of the story? F, you don't have to do this, I tell myself. G, will the lifeguard have to help her down the ladder while everyone stares? H, you can do it. J, life is so unfair. Read the story chart below. Number 7, question 7. Events from the story. Taylor is waiting in line at the diving board with 4 kids in front of her. Travis accidentally steps on Taylor's foot. Blank. Travis hops off the diving board. Which of the following events completes the chart? A, pink girl's friend does a first class belly flop. B, Travis yells at the girls telling them to go. C, a kid launches into a cannonball. D, Taylor counts the rungs as she climbs. Be sure to prove your answers. Number 8. What is the best summary of this story? F, Taylor's afraid of jumping off the diving board. She is so afraid that she gets goosebumps and freezes up when it's her turn. Travis yells to her, you can do it. G, Taylor is afraid of jumping off the diving board. She freezes up when it's her turn. Travis encourages her by shouting, you can do it. That reminds her of all the things she taught him when they were younger. So she overcomes her fear and jumps. H, Taylor is so afraid when she is about to jump off the diving board. She wants to be able to overcome her fear, but she is having trouble. Her brother accidentally steps on her foot. Other kids around her are getting mad. She finally jumps. J. Taylor watches other people jumping off the diving board. She wants to jump too, but she is really afraid. Travis asks her to watch him jump. Another kid yells at her for waiting too long. You can make a CSPS chart. Character, setting, problem, solution. 9. Which sentence best supports the idea that Travis cares about what his sister Taylor thinks of him? A. My brother's face lights up. Did you see that? B. Then I see Travis standing by the lifeguard's chair, shivering. C. I take a deep breath and step out into nothing. D. He scampers up the ladder and waves his skinny arms. Watch this. Number 10. What can the reader conclude about Travis? F. He's selfish. G. Daring. H. Shy. J. Embarrassed. Prove your thinking.